Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter Developer Options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite natural, it's quite normal. You will have to enter About Tablet, tap on the version here. Let's tap on it and keep tapping on the build number. If you'd like to learn more about the developer options, simply find our video about it. I've just recorded it, and you will be able to learn more. So let's enter the developer options, and here we have to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned on. If you've got it turned off, it will look like it, so just tap on it. And from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't necessarily have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.